This is part 2 of class 9 mathematics, chapter 7, triangles, multiple choice questions, and assertion reason questions. Case study based questions will be there in this class. So, first question is in the given triangle, AB is equal to QR. You can mark here AB is equal to QR, BC is equal to PR, and CA is equal to PQ. Then here you will see in the triangle CBA, see here, double cross, single cross, third cross. It should be double cross, single cross, third cross. So triangle CBA is congruent to triangle PRQ. So B is the correct option. It is given that uh, AO is parallel to BD. So you can write here. And we see that angle CAO, that is 40 plus 45, 85. So this angle will be equal to 45 because these are alternate interior angles. So B is the correct option. If two acute angles of a right triangle are equal, then each acute angle is equal to what? Which degree? Say, uh, let angle B and angle C are acute angles. Angle B is equal to x degree. Angle C is equal to angle also x degree. And sum of all three, this angle is 90 degree. Sum of all three angles is 180 degree. So 90 plus 90, sorry, x plus 90, that is 180 degree. Twice of x is equal to 180 minus 90. So twice of x is equal to 90. So x is equal to 45. So here you will see that angle B is 45 and angle C is also 45. So what is the answer now? Each acute angle is equal to 45 degree. So B is the correct option. It is given in the triangles ABC and DEF. AB is equal to FD, same marker length, and angle A is equal to angle D. We need SAS, means two sides and included angle. That is why we can say that AC should be equal to DF. So this is the correct answer. Sorry, AC should be equal to DE. So B is the correct option. D is midpoint of BC and angle ABD is equal to angle ACD, then angle DAB is equal to angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. It is given when two angles of a triangle are given equal, then their opposite sides are also equal. So AB is equal to AC and D is midpoint. That is why BD is equal to CD. It is also given. So in the triangle ABD and ACD, side, angle, side, Similarly, angle side, the two triangles are congruent means triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. By CPCT, angle DAB, because we need angle DAB. DAB, that is equal to angle DAC. So C is the correct option. In triangle ABC, it is given AB is equal to BC and angle B is equal to 70 degree. We know that when two sides of a triangle are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So angle A will be equal to angle C. But at the same time, we know that sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle C, angle A is equal to angle C. Suppose that is equal to x degree. So angle A plus angle C plus angle B, that is equal to 180 degree. So twice of x is equal to 180 minus 70. So twice of x is equal to 110. So x is equal to 55 degree. Angle A is equal to x degree. So angle A is equal to 55 degree, and that's all for this question. In triangle ABC, BC is equal to AB and angle B is equal to 80 degree. Find angle A. We know when two sides of a triangle are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. So angle A will be equal to angle C. So angle A is equal to angle C. Suppose this angle is equal to x degree. But by angle sum property, we know that sum of all three angles means angle A plus angle C plus angle B. That is 180 degree. So twice of x is equal to 100 degree. X is equal to 50 degree. Angle A is equal to angle x, that is equal to, it means angle A is equal to 50 degree. And C is also 50 degree, but we need angle A. So angle A is equal to 50 degrees. So C is the correct option. E and F are midpoints of equal sides, mean the two sides AB and AC are equal. E is midpoint of AB, F is midpoint of AC. Then which of the following is correct option? So what we do? In triangle ABF and ACE. ABF and triangle ACE. AB is equal to AC, it is given. And angle A, that is common in the two triangles. And AF is equal to AE because AB is equal to AC, that is half of AB is equal to half of AC. So this AE is equal to AF. So Triangle ABF is congruent to triangle ACE by SAS congruency rule, and by CPCT, BF is equal to CE. So D is the correct option. I already have written the answer. You know it. If triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, then each angle equals to, what about each angle of an equilateral triangle? We know that each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. I am waiting for your answer. Read the question carefully. It is given triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FDE. So by CPCT, we can say that AB is equal to FD. And BC, second, third, that is equal to DE. And third side AC is equal to EF. Right? AB is 5 centimeter, angle B is 40 degree, angle A is 80 degree. So by angle sum property, that angle will be 60 degree. Now writing the corresponding parts, angle D is 40 degree, angle A is 60 degree, and angle F 80 degree. You can check the answer now. So here you will see and DF is equal to AB, that is 5 centimeter. So DF is 5 centimeter here, and angle E is equal to 60 degree. So B is the correct option. From the given diagram, what will be the in the given figure, what is difference of angle DAC and angle ABC? It is already given that this line AD is parallel to BC. This angle is 9 degree, this angle is 60 degree. Angle C is equal to 60 degree because these are two angles are alternate angles. And by angle sum property, this angle 90, this is 60. So this angle will be 30 degree. So angle DAC, that is 60 degree, angle ABC, that is 30 degree. So 60 minus 30, that is 30 degree. Waiting for your answer. See, first of all, this angle 90 degree, one side and one angle. SSS means this third side is not given, two sides are not given, so this is not correct option. RHS, right angle hypotenuse side, we know the side just opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is not equal given, so this is also not true. two sides and included angle not given. Only one side is given. So that is also not correct. But see, angle, side, angle, side angle, the two triangles are congruent. So C is the correct option. Assertion in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, it is given AB is equal to PQ. AC is equal to PR. Angle BAC is equal to angle QPR. It is given. That is why by SAS congruency rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. But what is given here? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PRQ. So that is false. So assertion is false. But reason is two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the sides and the included angle of the other triangle. That is right, because this is SAS congruency rule. So D is the correct option. A is false, means assertion is false, but a reason is true. This is your test. First give your answer, then check your answer. Assertion is each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. This is true. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. That is also true. But does A depends on R? क्या assertion R से इसका result R से निकला है? Yes, because in an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So their opposite angles will also be equal. So R is correct explanation of A, means A depends on R. So we can say that A is the correct option. Both A and R means assertion and reason are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. In triangle PQR, it is visible angle P is 9 degree, then which of the following option is correct? Very simple question. PQ, this side is longest side, this side longest side, or this side is longest side, or cannot be determined. What is your answer? See, in the right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. So QR is hypotenuse. So you can say that QR is the longest side. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. When two sides of a triangle are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is 50 degree. So angle C will also be 50 degree. But by angle sum property, we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that will be 180 degrees. So 50 and 50, 100. So this angle will be 80 degree. So B is the correct option. In the figure, it is given 135 degree. This angle is 45 degree. We have to calculate this angle. So since by linear pair of angles, the sum of these two angles is 135 degree. So angle PQR will be 45 degree. Now by angle sum property, the sum of this angle P, angle Q and angle R will be 180 degree. 45 plus 45, 9 degrees. So angle P will be 90 degree. So D is the correct option. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by SS congruency rule. Then which of the following is correct option? First, I need your answer. See, by simplicity, AB is equal to DE. BC is equal to EF. And AC is equal to DF. Therefore, by SSS congruency rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. By simplicity, angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle F. So which of the following option is correct? So angle A is equal to angle D and angle B is equal to angle E. D is correct option. In the figure, in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to PR. When two sides of a triangle are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. So C is correct option. Angle B 35 degree, angle C 60 degree, then what about angle A? Angle का A का measurement क्या होगा? C 35 degree. angle say 60 degree. We know sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 60 plus 35, 95. So angle A will be 85 degree. So B is the correct option. See here, in triangle PQR, two angles are equal. And when two angles are equal in a triangle, their opposite sides are also equal. So QR is equal to PR. Since two sides are equal, so this triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. In triangle ABC, the two sides are equal. So triangle ABC is also an isosceles triangle, but sides are not given. So the two triangles are not congruent. So we can say the triangles are isosceles but not congruent. A is correct option. It is given angle A is equal to 30 degree. Angle B is 70 degree. Angle Q is equal to 80 degree. P is 70 degree, sorry. And angle Q is 80 degree. By angle sum property, angle R is 30 degree. And by angle sum property, angle C is 80 degree. It is also given that AB is equal to RP. So by angle side angle property, triangle ABC, ABC, 30 side 70, 30 side 70 is congruent to triangle RPQ. So C is correct option. Are the two triangles congruent? If yes, write which one, or the triangles are not congruent. By observation, we find that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. This triangle is not an isosceles triangle. See, one side is equal, but we don't know about these two sides. Because the two sides, this triangle is not an isosceles triangle. This triangle is isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. So we can say that the triangles are not congruent. D is correct option. Two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. Let one angle be x degree. Its supplementary will be 180 minus x degree. But it is given that the two angles means if the angle and its supplementary angles are equal. So if this angle is x, this is 180 minus x degree. But these are equal. So x is equal to 180 minus x. Twice of x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 90. So the measure of the angle which is equal to its supplement is 90 degrees. So D is the correct option. In the given figure, we want to prove triangle ACD congruent to triangle ADB. Which of the following is correct? Here, AC is equal to AD. This angle is equal to this angle, and AB is common. So by side, angle, side, and side, angle, side. So SAS is the correct option. Now have some rest. Thank you.